I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Go to the YouTube website and log in with the account that has a premium subscription. This is crucial because you can only manage subscriptions from the correct account. Step 2. Access your purchases. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Purchases and Memberships from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Find your subscription. On the Purchases and Memberships page, locate the YouTube Premium subscription. It should be listed under the Membership section. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Click on the Manage button next to your YouTube Premium subscription. Then select the Cancel Membership option. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation as well. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.